Hi guys, welcome to my channel Kazakh is easy, and today we can see Kazakh sentence. And let's see how Kazakh sentence is formed. So Kazakh sentence is formed like, in first of all we put subject, then predicate, then supplement, then circumstance, and last place is the definition. Okay, let's see. And each of these part of Kazakh sentence. So the subject, its name in Kazakh is Bastavush, is mainly at the beginning of the sentence. The subject answers the question kim, who, and ne, what. Plural kimdir, neler. And the subject can be expressed by a noun, numeral, and adjective qanday, which. So examples: men дүкенге бардым. I went to store. Сәрсен диванда жатыр. Сәрсен is on the couch. 10 2-ге бөлінеді. 10 is divided into 2. So next, the predicate. Баяндауыш always stands at the end of the sentence. The predicate answers the questions. Ne istedi? What does it do? The predicate can be expressed not only by a verb, but also by a noun, numeral, adjective, and pronoun. So, examples: ол жиі басқа қалаларға барады. He often travels to other cities. Менің әкем ұшқыш. My father is a pilot. Biz бесеуміз. There are 5 of us. Мектеп үлкен. The school is big. Next, the supplement. Толықтауыш stands in the middle of the sentence. The supplement answers the question of all cases except nominative and genitive. Кімнен, from whom, неден, from what, кімде, who has, неде, what, кімге, to whom, неге, what, кімді, whom, нені, what, кім, with whom, немен, with what. Examples: Alma кітапты кітапханадан алды. Alma took the book from the library. Мен институтқа сабаққа бардым. I went to college for classes. So next, circumstance. Пысықтауыш stand either in the middle of the sentence or at the beginning. Especially often at the beginning of the sentence is the circumstance of time. The circumstance answers the questions қалай, how, қайда, where, қашан, when, қайдан, where from. Examples: оқушылар жаңа сөздерді тақтаға жазады. Students write new words on the board. Қыста күн суық болады. In winter, days are cold. So next, the definition. Анықтауыш always stands before the word to be defined. The definition answers the question қандай, which, what is it, which, неше, қанша, how many, кімнің, ненің, whose. Examples: үстелде қоңыр қарындаш жатыр. There's a brown pencil on the table. Анардың кітабы анда жатыр. The book of Anar lies there. So, just like this, Kazakh sentence is formed. Thank you for watching. Жақсы сау болыңыздар. Bye bye.